So hi all, today's topic is VPC, Subnet and Internet Gateway. So first we'll see about VPC. So what is VPC? So VPC is a virtual private network. So it is a private network within the AWS that is similar to Office or Home Network. Okay. And in AWS we have one default VPC in all the region. Okay. So in VPC also has a network ID. Okay. And we can create multiple VPCs. Can be created. Multiple VPC can be created. And default VPC ID will be same for all the region. So earlier I mentioned it. AWS as one VPC in default VPC in all region. Okay. So that VPC default VPC ID will be same for all the region. Okay. So and for some services we don't have VPCs. For example, S3. S3 we don't have VPCs, IP address. Okay. And for in EC2 we have VPC, IP address, everything. Okay. So this is all about VPC. Next we'll come to subnet. So what is subnet? Subnet is a segment within the VPC. Okay. It is a smaller section of your VPC IP address. Okay. So default VPC in AWS, it is divided into 16 subnets by the Amazon. Okay. And one availability zone we can have multiple subnets. So we can create multiple subnets in one availability zone. So based on our requirements we can create multiple subnets. Okay. And we have types of subnets, public subnet and private subnet. Public subnet is a route to the internet via internet gateway. Okay. Private subnet, we don't have internet, we don't have direct internet access. Okay. And next topic, the last topic is internet gateway. So internet gateway is a VPC component that allows communication between your AWS VPC and the internet. Okay. So it is a edge routed in a Amazon VPC traffic. Okay. From internet. So in VPC we have internet gateway for connecting to VPC to internet. So internet gateway is a device that allows communication between your AWS VPC and the internet. And we can't use one internet gateway to the another VPC. So we can use one internet gateway to one VPC only. So we can't use one internet gateway to the other VPCs also. An internet gateway enables your EC2 instance in a public subnet to send and receive the traffic from the internet. So this is all about VPC, subnets and internet gateway. Thank you.